Welcome to Lifestyle with Neeraj. Scheffleras are one of the commoner plants sold by nurseries and box stores in Canada. Certainly they are completely unsuitable for winter climate and cannot survive outdoors. However, they do make attractive houseplants. The two common species that we import from nurseries in Florida are Schefflera amari and Schefflera arboricola. Schefflera arboricola, which is also known as the dwarf umbrella tree, is a native of Taiwan and China. However, it grows widely and I have seen it used for landscaping in South America. Typically, the leaves are arranged in groups of 7 to 9 as umbels, giving them an umbrella shape. A popular cultivar is the variegated form in which the leaves have yellow streaks, making it even more attractive. Remember that the variegated form requires brighter light to produce these colors. If new leaves are plain green, it means that the plant is not getting enough light. It should not be overwatered. Let the soil get dry between watering. I water my Schefflera twice a week. The plant can grow to 20 feet in height, but is usually much smaller indoors. It can grow in a bush or tree form. It can be used as a bonsai as well. The Schefflera does well in bright indirect light such as a south-facing window. A feature of this plant that I discovered is that it is very sensitive to variations in lighting. I bought this plant at a height of about 7 feet. As you can see, I placed it close to a window and patio door, which was facing northeast. Soon after moving into its new home, the tree developed leaf drop. The tree soon became unsightly with long, etiolated shoots. Many of us will simply discard the plant when this happens, and I do suspect that this happens commonly. The second problem that I discovered after bringing the plant home is that it had a brown scale insect infestation. Now, every plant aficionado knows that when you discover scale insects on your houseplants, it is time to throw it away. This is true for two reasons. The first one is that it is virtually impossible to kill this insect. As many of you know, this insect remains perfectly stationary after building a waxy coat around it. It then sucks the sap out of the leaves. The elimination product of this insect is called honeydew, which itself creates a significant problem. The dew lands on the furniture and the floor, creating sticky mess. The liquid also attracts ants into your home. The second reason for discarding a plant infected with scale insects is that the immature forms of the insect are mobile and will attack other houseplants. I have used soapy water as well as hydrogen peroxide to wipe the leaves, but the insects still manage to survive. Houseplants brought into Canada are treated aggressively with pesticides. They are also treated at the nurseries. This is why the consumer does not notice any issue at the store. However, most of us are not going to resort to these products in our homes. In fact, I rinse my plants thoroughly with a garden hose following purchase before bringing them inside. The solution that I devised appears to have worked. Let me share with you what I did. I took the tree outdoors onto the deck 2 years ago and cut off all the branches, leaving just the trunk. This image was taken July 20th, 2016. The tree gradually produced new shoots over the summer. These images were taken July 30th and August 6th. I was careful to place the tree trunk in low to medium lighting since one cannot match outdoor sunshine when the plant is brought indoors. This picture is from August 16. Periodically, I would treat the plant with a homemade insecticide using cold-pressed neem oil. I would also spray it with a commercial pesticide containing pyrethrins and piperonal butoxide or PBO. As you may know, pyrethrins are naturally derived insecticides to which PBO is sometimes added to enhance activity. Most of my reading suggests that there are no serious medical consequences to people from using pyrethrins or PBO indoors. Nevertheless, my policy is to avoid any indoor exposure to these products. As the weather turned cooler in August, I moved the plant back to its original location, which was the northeast window. My observations suggest that there is no leaf drop when new growth occurs under stable conditions. The plant seems to adapt to new lighting conditions. You can probably generalize this to other plants that you can purchase. If you buy them in a tall, mature form, you might be disappointed when you bring them home, whereas the new growth on small, younger plants will be adapted to the new growing conditions. My Schefflera seems to be growing well, and there has not been any sign of scale insect infestation. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you found it informative. If you liked it, then subscribe to get further notifications of my future videos.